Ayikho lento. Yes, let's record each other.
Hey, wait. Where are you running? Hey, wait.
No.
So you.
This one is exactly. No. Get that one.
Where are the other two guys? The other one jumped. Run. Go back. Hey, don't run. You see, jump it.
A South African woman in Port Elizabeth has had enough. She took matters into her own hands at a local healthcare facility, physically blocking illegal foreigners from accessing free healthcare services that are meant for South Africans first. Her South Africans first approach has sparked conversation across the country, with many praising her for standing her ground in a space where government has largely been absent. Whether you call it activism or a wake-up call, one thing is clear. Ordinary South Africans are no longer waiting for someone else to act.
Fighting me in my country. Oh, now you're quiet when you see the camera. Ayikho lento. Yes, let's record each other.
You want to start xenophobia. Not only xenophobia, you want to start.
You are a man. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Why don't you go be first fire? You're a man. Go be first fire in the country.
Yes.
You are not a woman. Don't shout.
Yes. But no.
For resources, he wants to shout. For resources.
Mama, she was here.
No, the security is coming. No, I'm not. I'm not holding the clinic up. Listen, there are South Africans who... No. I'm not going to listen to you. I'm not going to listen to you. It's not...
We have old people here who can get hurt. Yes.
I understand. They must simply go to the back. They don't want anyone to get hurt. They must simply go to the back. Listen, this country is for South Africans first. These resources are dispensed for us first, not for everyone. They must go to the back. No, I'm cutting a cancer out today. This is a cancer. There was an elderly woman who came here. She had to return while a young Somali man got inside. This thing must stop today. It must stop today. No more. Why should our people suffer in this country? Why should our people suffer in this country? Why they are here? Our forefathers fought for this.
You're doing your own things.
Our forefathers fought for this.
The Labour Activism and Compliance Operations Unit, LACO, has busted an illegal foreign national who was running a cookie baking operation in Eastwood, KZN, using 6 other illegal foreign nationals as his workforce. These workers were being paid 16 rands per day for an 8-hour shift. 16 rands. That is not a wage, that is exploitation, plain and simple. But here's where it gets telling. When the raids started drawing closer, the Bangladeshi operator switched the operation from day shifts to night shifts only, a deliberate move to avoid detection. LACO caught up with him anyway. This is the kind of underground economy that undercuts legitimate South African businesses and South African workers simultaneously.
Sise Eastwood la. Na ama foreigners la. Kwakiwa makhekhe. Kwakiwa makhekhe. Bayivala ke le company bathi sebezosebenza ebusuku ngoba balekeli lakho. Kanti ke siphezulu kwabo. Umnikazi wa inkampani le. Yeah.
So they change you ask the guy here. Nobody's sleeping here.
Now my pep. No can now.
Now what happened? What permit? Bueno,
bana maphepha bonke labantu abaqashwe la. Abana maphepha. Kwakhiwa amakhekhe la. Sifikile ke. Ngoba ayishintshe day shift bayenza night shift. Becanga ukuthi asufeke kanti siyabanyenyobela. Sesifikile. Why are you doing this? 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock shift.
No, they
2 o'clock in the morning.
How
do they go home?
Go 4 o'clock. But they want to finish early and go home back early. I'm never telling.
Iwona lamakhekhe wenziwa lamazayishayi lawa. Abukeke mnandi wona manje ikhwayi labantu. Hey. Iwona lawa. Iwona nandi inhlama yakhona deshe thona. Iyona inhlama yakhona le. Ukanti ihlala endaweni enje inhlama. Hey. Ya iyona inhlama wenza amakhekhe. Silali siyasebenza.
Even your boss will be arrested soon.
Ya iyona le brand lamakhekhe. How can you pay someone 16 rand an hour? Why? It's not new. In October we're here. I'm telling you, I'm not asking you. October was here. I was personally here in October. You cannot remember me.
After I go to heart attack, I go back to hospital. And I come back home.
But this bakery is not new. You cannot be paying. Okay, simple question. Ubanu baker lang nina? How much are you getting paid a week? 16 rand an hour. You see?
This one?
Yeah. No, he told me. You are taking people from Malawi to come and exploit them here. They are our brothers. They have blood as same as you. That's why you want those ones who don't have papers.
They're getting serious.
Bafu ukhola malini? 900. Usebenza how many days in a week? 6 days for 900 rand. No, that you see why now you must be arrested. When you'll be arrested. When you'll be arrested. You'll be arrested when you busy exploiting the Africans here.
No, I'm not. When I'm touching.
How can you pay someone 16 rand an hour? Will you survive with 16 rand an hour? When you must be arrested when.
In Johannesburg, yet another hijacked building was raided, and the occupants tried to run. Illegal foreign nationals were found living inside a building that had been taken over unlawfully. And when authorities moved in, they attempted to flee. This is a pattern we see repeat itself across Joburg's inner city. Buildings that are hijacked, packed with illegal occupants, and generating income for criminal networks. The crackdowns are happening. The question is, are they happening at a fast enough rate?
Do you have papers? Eh? You guys have papers?
Why your passport?
Your papers? JMPD, do you have immigration? JMPD, but don't run, my guy. Hey, my guy, don't run. Go back. Hey, don't run. You see, hey, JMPD. JMPD, he was trying to run from. Hey, where are you running? Hey, where?
No.
So you.
This one is exactly. No. Get that one.
Where are the other two guys? The other one jumped.
No, the other one went to the other side. This one is
Jumped.
Good. I'll tell you in a minute. What is it?
Eh? You went through what?
What is it?
Yeah, my mom. Hello.
What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Open here.
I don't know.
You don't stay here. What is happening here?
That guy is see.
Yeah?
Check.
What's happening here?
What's happening there?
Where are people who are staying here? Who's staying here? Are there people here? Yeah. There are people who die here. Inside here. Like the stuff is on or something. Hey, so.
Okay. Go. Okay.
You don't know everything.
I don't know everything.
What do you know?
I I don't know everything.
You don't
What do
everything,
you
why?
know?
What
What
do
do you know?
Hey, what do you know?
Hey, Baba.
What do you know? Where's your papers? Where are your papers? Where's your passport?
And what the
Where
rest
is
of
your
the guys?
passport?
What the
Come
rest
out.
of your guys?
Where's your passport?
Come out.
Eh?
Ask me, it's not one.
Kiero, where's your passport? Where's your passport?